Get ready, folks. It's time. Assemble the team. Lube up your keyboards. Unless our agents shit the bed. We're bringing the heat in Yelling at Robots Code Edition. In today's episode, JR and the Foz code up their website. Due to a lack of preparation, we join the episode already in progress.
Folks, I want you to hit record right now. I want you to download a copy of this. This is going to be our opportunity to do some deep inspection and research. Okay, what am I seeing right now? I am seeing there's an on-air icon. I don't know what that is. I see that it looks like there's a small elephant icon on his toolbar. Perhaps he has something to use Postgres. Perhaps he is using Postgres. I'm not seeing much else. He has Claude open. Claude is running. I see he's a 1Password user. Oh,
don't worry. I'm just about to show you my dot files.
No, okay. Oh, sweet.
Anyways.
Even better.
Anyways.
Is this of a resolution that will be friendly? I may even go in a bit harder.
I can embiggen.
Yeah.
I can embiggen.
Bigger. Oh, there we go. Now we're at... This is going to be... Okay, folks. So I guess I'll narrate what's happening as we go through this.
I am making a directory called robot.gripe.
Robot.gripe, the website, the absolute cheapest domain that I could possibly get. It's $2.36 a year on porkbun.com. Porkbun.com, sponsor of the show, one of the best for all of your domain hosting needs. Try Porkbun. Put it on a bun, eat it. Delicious.
Amazing.
Okay, Foz, do you want to tell us what you're doing as you go, or would you like me to narrate?
I have made a directory on my local on my local machine. I've called it robot.gripe, which is the name of our website. And I am realizing now I also don't have Hub set up with a GitHub token that will work. I don't think. We can try.
What's Hub?
Hub is the legacy CLI tool for interacting with GitHub that I still use to this day, even though GitHub has come up with their own and has been around for at least 8 years. But I'm still stuck in.
Okay.
No.
Oh, GitHub command line has been around for 8 years.
Hub was what you could use before GitHub decided to make a CLI.
Somebody had rolled a command line that was talking to their API. Blah blah blah. Okay.
Exactly. So I still use this one.
All right.
Nope. Bad credentials. We'll deal with that problem later. I cannot create a repository from my command line, and I'm not about to go and create a GitHub token live on a stream with my account.
Shut up, dummy.
And now Josh is looking at the infinite window that is in Riverside and yelling at his self, who's yelling at a smaller self, who's yelling and waving at a smaller self. Fun times. Anyways, so I've got an empty repository here. I am going to fire up OpenCode. OpenCode is my tool of choice.
I would like to propose an adaptation to what we're doing right now. I'd like you to let me narrate.
Oh, let me know, buddy. Well, okay. You narrate, bud.
Yeah,
okay.
I will narrate. Foz is using OpenCode. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you want to? But what? Foz is using OpenCode. And it looks like he has two panes. On the top pane, he is in the directory. On the main directory, on the bottom pane, OpenCode. He's gone into the directory. Now, I'm not sure. Oh, wow. He's done a customization of some sort. I see he has some ASCII art that says Foz codes. Is this Vim I'm looking at? Is this your Vim startup?
This is NeoVim. Yeah, this is NeoVim.
NeoVim, an important distinction. NeoVim. Today's podcast is sponsored by NeoVim, the Vim for people who regular Vim wasn't new enough. I guess that's actually pretty accurate.
That is actually true.
Yeah, pretty much.
Vim script.
Didn't want to write Vim script. Yeah. NeoVim for the discerning author who loves Lua and despises VM script.
Amazing.
Now, how do you know? Okay, so he's making a file. Wait, why are you even
I was
making
gonna make
a file?
I'm not going to make any files.
Why do you even have NeoVim
We got robots
open?
for that, buddy.
Yeah, but why do you even have NeoVim open is my question.
Oh, because I do want to see what it does. Right now, I guess the first question to us.
Listener or me, JR?
You, Josh. What do we want to make this in?
What language?
What language? Are we just gonna let it do the old TypeScript?
I don't know.
React to the framework.
First question.
Should we just describe what we're trying to build and see what superpowers gives us?
No.
Nope.
We have more decisions to make. First,
What are the
question
decisions?
number 1. What model are we going to use? I see you're on Claude Opus 4.5, which is
excellent
also
question,
already
my
weird.
friend.
I mean, you know what I'm inclined for.
Big Pickle?
Big Pickle, baby!
Should we see what I've never used it. I don't know what it'll do.
Definitely.
We could end up with some real garbage.
Nope.
All
I
right,
want to big pickle it. I mean,
Big Pickle.
we definitely high, I guess. Max Big Pickle.
Max Big Pickle.
I mean, it's free. It's free. Max Big Pickle. All right. Now, the question I have for you is, do we want to give it a challenge? I mean, you know, there is like front-end web frameworks for Haskell. You probably
Okay, so this is I thought about this before we started recording. I was like, is Josh going to want to go on a bit of an adventure?
Of course I am. I'm a very adventurous person. Now, the more important question is what runtimes, what can you actually run quickly on your computer? Because if you don't have the GHC, is that the Haskell? I think that's the Haskell runtime.
Plugin list all grep Haskell.
Oh, are you still using ASDF? Have you checked out Miz?
If you're not using ASDF, you're a f***ing loser.
That's very hurtful because I don't use ASDF. I use Mise en place. Mise en place is the Rust replacement for ASDF because everything Rust is better.
Course.
Everything Rust is better, baby. All Rust all the time. Okay, well, there we go. We've got Haskell. But do you know how to use Haskell?
No idea.
Yeah, okay.
But it'll tell me. It'll be like, run this in your command line to start the server,
true.
right?
It'll
tell me.
You know, it's vibe coding. I would say let's take a stab at it in Haskell. Let's see what it does.
Okay.
Big Pickle Haskell.
Well, let's at least get a version here. What version of Haskell are we on? We're on 9.14.1.
Okay, can you do at latest?
Oh, can I do that? I've never tried that.
You can do it on Mise en place, the Rust replacement for ASDF.
I can. Look at that.
There you go.
Wow.
Yeah.
All those times I've been listing these and I could have just typed,
Jesus,
give me the latest. You dumbass, Fosbury.
But you know what? Celebrate the fact that you learned something new that's going to make your work easier.
I did.
Yeah.
All my Haskell work.
No, your ASDF installation
I know.
work.
I was kidding.
All right. Good one.
All right.
Okay, folks, we're about to fire up the Big Pickle. Give it a big something to bite onto. It's called Haskell.
All right. Well, second learning after I know first learning of learning latest is apparently Haskell's big and needs to take some time to download.
Wait a minute.
That's working.
Jesus. I mean, I don't know. I think you need to upgrade your connection,
internet?
brother.
Maybe it's just because we're streaming so much Riverside right now.
Okay.
Actually, you know what else? I'm gonna move you to. I'm gonna minimize our board.
Okay.
So nobody can see that. I'm going to move you to my other screen so I can continue to see
also you're required to do an update on your phone.
I don't know what this is, and I'm not doing it. For those of you listening at home, I refuse to upgrade to Sonoma because I think liquid glass is
yeah, it's and it's definitely worth exposing yourself to all the security flaws that it won't be updated as quickly, just to protest, for sure. Foz, let me start by saying I really respect your integrity.
Thanks,
I respect your emotional integrity and your spiritual integrity. Your computer integrity is though. Just FYI. Pick your integrity, folks. All right, folks. Well,
okay. So, what's the prompt, buddy?
Oh God. What's the prompt? Well, what do we want? Our first question is like, we need to build. Okay. All right, Foz is writing out. We need to build a website for our podcast. You know what? Let's just ask Big Pickle. And we're yelling at robots. All right, so what Foz is typing? We need to build a website for our podcast, yelling at robots. We've got our domain name, robot.gripe, which is awesome, BT dub. And
I want to see if this thing pushes back or if it's like, Haskell, great idea.
Oh no! I mean, don't say we want. Just say build a website in Haskell. Is it a marketing website? Is it a landing page? What are we making here?
Ooh, that's a good question. Well, let's start small.
Start simple.
Let's
Start
follow
simple.
some sort of like common sense principles about building software.
Yeah, look, I mean, we're already giving it a pretty big lift, so I would say let's keep we're building kind of a homepage, a landing page, with links to, Spotify, to links to the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Also, where you can, folks, hit that like and subscribe button from ideally our Haskell hosted website. That's good enough. It.
Yeah,
do it live. See,
the site must be built using Haskell.
Yes.
Is that it?
Probably
enter.
Enter. I mean, my guess is, I'm really hoping it's like, are you fucking nuts?
It's Big Pickle. Who knows?
It's Big Pickle. We also don't know how slow Big Pickle is. We don't know how hard Big Pickle thinks. You know what? This is actually a benefit from parallelization. Why don't we fire up a couple of these, right? Fire them up, man. Let's get them parallel. Now, is this?
Oh wait, no. He's thinking. What is he saying?
He's brainstorming. He's invoking. He's
actually
wait.
The user explicitly said, "Build me a homepage." Oh, okay. This is a creative task. Let me invoke brainstorming. Okay, well, it's using superpowers. It's invoking its brainstorming skill.
So this is a superpower. So what you are either seeing or listening to is Foz is it's a plugin. The plugin that Foz.
Oh no, sorry, it's a skill. It's skills. It's
a collection of skills, superpowers.
Yes. So if you were to look in my dot files, under skills. Wait, what's going on here?
I don't know.
Oh, is that not where it does it?
I don't.
NPX skills list. I don't know. He's doing. Always with this. Yeah. Install.
Don't worry, I'll just cut this out. No, I won't, because I don't edit live streams. I don't edit. This is where I draw the line.
Somewhere on my machine, there's some skills somewhere. Maybe it's in my agents folder.
You know what, Foz? Why don't you just tell us in words what
in words
does?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is.
What's good about superpowers?
We've talked about it in a previous. Here, actually, you know what? Let's look at the repo. Because we're streaming, we're looking at stuff. We've talked about it in a previous episode.
Oh wait, hold on. We also get to see some information, folks. Just so you know, when I'm editing this, I will slow it down so that we can see the auto completions in Foz's browser to see what he's been looking at. Just FYI, I will highlight that. Do not worry. All right, keep going. I guess maybe I'm telling that more to Ian than you, because you've seen it. But what will I go back? Okay. Also, I will probably go back and edit it so that if you're listening to the podcast, I'll tell you what it's on there.
Amazing. So from what's this gentleman's name? Jesse Vincent.
Jesse Ventura, Jesse the Body Ventura, world famous wrestler, and
Vincent.
Skill developer.
Yes.
I believe he developed this skill with Mila. By the way, Jovovich. Yes, it's Jovovich. It's not Jovovich. It's Jovovich.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. Well, yeah, sure. But I was more concerned about the K. Not no
need to be concerned. That was just a massive mental cock-up.
Yeah. Does it have an actual list of the superpowers? Basic workflow? Yeah, here we are. So basic workflow. So anyways, this is a list of skills you can install in your Claude, in your OpenCode, whatever, any of the AI harnessing coding tools, what have you. And what it does is gives you a little more
superpowers.
Right.
Does it give you the ability to fly? I would pick invisibility.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's a set of composable skills that kind of like are elements of good software development practices in a reasonable amount, in my opinion anyways, a reasonable subset of them. You know, things like if you scroll down here, where's the list? Like brainstorming. So that's the skill where it'll start asking you questions, which it may or may not be doing to us right now. If we go back, it's asking us for feedback for like, okay, you want me to do these things, but I need more information before I get started. It uses Git work trees, which is kind of cool. So you can parallelize things. You can give it what I've done in the past is I think I alluded to this in a previous episode. I wanted to test out a custom build of a dashboard versus like a just using an open source off the shelf version. So I asked it to just fire up both those things in the same repo, and it subagent and made both those things, and then I could just like test them and compare them. And it's doing this using Git work trees so that you essentially have in the same repo or Git workspace, you can work on two things at once and not be worried about like conflicting files or any of that sort of stuff, which is awesome. It makes plans. It does subagent driven development. You can also tell it to do, it'll ask you sometimes, it'll be like, do you want me to do this with subagents, or do you want me to do this like one at a time in order so you can tell me what I'm doing? It writes tests. It can also like do code reviews for you, and it will always, the cool thing it does do is it does write specs around things, which I think we'll probably see it do here.
And saves them into,
into the repo and commit them.
That's nice.
So you can refer to them later. Like you can say like, this is what I asked it to do. This was his plan that it came up with, and these were the specifications, so it's great. Oh, also one other thing though I do want to do, if I haven't, I don't think I did it. Empty directory. I think it is doing it. I also installed Caveman to save myself tokens.
No.
We're big pickling, so that don't matter.
Do not turn on Caveman. Do not turn on. That's been disproven, by the way. That's Caveman's not real.
No. It saves on output tokens.
Okay.
Tokens are tokens.
Okay.
They all cost.
They all cost. So before we get into it, and to give it back to you, Superhuman is a collection of skills that works well for you. Superpowers. Superhuman is, I think, an email client. Superpowers is a collection of skills that works the way you like to work. It's well decomposed into parts that work well for you and working with agents, and that's it in a nutshell, right?
Yeah, and I would also say that it follows a lot of, this Jesse Vincent seems to be on the same page as me with a lot of stuff. Like,
yeah, that's what I mean in terms of like TDD,
Yagni.
Yep. Oh, but Dry's Yagni on there too, and we all know your opinion on Dry.
Dry is great, but I will say the same thing I say all the time. Every time somebody blindly, dogmatically follows Dry, is that one of, if not my favorite developer ever, Sandy Metz, said is that duplication is far less dangerous than the wrong abstraction. So if you're going to try something out, make sure you're doing it at the right time and you know what you're doing. And you've learned enough and you know enough about what you're doing to make something dry. Because otherwise, you're going to pay the piper later.
Yeah. Sometimes you need a little lube.
Okay, so what is it asking us right now? Empty directory, no existing.
First off, if you're a listener, it's still installing GHC, which is the compiler for.
No. Is it? Oh wow, it is.
It is, my friend. Okay, it's still installing. There's a reason why Haskell did not gain widespread adoption, my friends, and we're living it. All right. It's asking for
do you
some
have a
basic
preference for theme.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good question. How about a theme that goes well with yelling at robots? How much leeway do we want to give it? One of the things I like to do is to just give shitty prompts and then see what the robot decides, because it amuses me. I have noticed that at least in some of the I made a skill this no, it's not interesting. One of the things I have
explicitly asking is, do we want dark, light, minimal, bold, specific colors, existing branding for the podcast?
Yeah, exactly. And give it a shitty answer and see what it does. I mean, like, this is the way I like to roll, bro. This is the first time. I mean, we're pair vibing, pair YOLO coding. I don't even pair vibe coding.
Second question: content beyond the platform links. Should the homepage display episode info, show description, or other content?
I can maybe, Riverside has an RSS feed, so why don't I? I mean, you can also just pop over there. Let's say hosting.
No, can you send it to me? Because I don't want to.
Yeah, sure. I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you. While you're. Oh wow! Then actually, Riverside now. I just clicked on the button to get a link, and there's something that says "Create Website." We could be doing this. No, I definitely do not want to do this on Riverside because Riverside is a piece of. Foz, how would you like to get this link? Messages?
Just texted me in the.
There we go. Boom. Done.
Copy.
So I would say, yeah, just give it the RSS feed and say dynamically pull show list, right?
Oh, okay, yeah, we can say that.
Why not? Yeah, fuck it.
Yes,
I mean, that
please.
makes
Can
sense to me.
you dynamically pull this RSS feed from our existing episodes? Sure.
What
Free
you are
hosting.
also hearing, this is just how Foz works. He speaks, sort of speaks to himself as he works. It's not, there's nothing new here. This is actually just raw Foz slop.
Raw Foz. Foz
Foz
slop.
slop. Man, I don't know what's going on outside, but like, it is bright as out there. Are you seeing this?
Summer's coming, baby. What time is it?
Yeah. It is almost 7. Almost 7 at night.
Love it.
It's
are you-
awful, man. In the peak of summer, I can still see the sun at like 10:30 at night. Do you know how hard it is to go to sleep
it's
with
tough to get to
sunlight
bed.
on your face? Messed up. All right, cool.
I got back from the early bird specials 5 hours ago.
I think we skip hosting for now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Does Vercel support Haskell? Let me. While you're doing this, I will do a little recon.
I mean, we could also do this on GitHub Pages. It's not like we don't need full hosting.
Well, we can't do Haskell on GitHub Pages, brother.
No, but it could
So-
use like I don't know. It might choose some kind of like Haskell static site generator. I don't know.
Yeah, well, let's see. Maybe that would be. That's what I would do if I was a big pickle. Let's see. Web.
Yeah, but we don't.
hosting.
The idea here is to not give it any information and see what happens, right?
Yeah. I
All
mean,
right, enter. I'm punching it. Ready?
okay, hit it.
Let's see what we get.
Beep, 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 beep. Now what do we talk or do we?
Oh, there's more for the Haskell
Okay.
stack. Which
Oh,
approach
it's got-
sounds best? Scotty and Blade. I don't know what that is.
All right.
Servant and HSX.
All right.
Spock and Heist.
First off, so my first observation is, but I love how Haskell's naming their libraries.
They got some
actually.
good
It's pretty
names. I like
sweet,
these
yeah.
names. Yeah.
I mean, I would just take the recommendation, Big Pickle's
Yeah.
recommendation of Scotty plus Blade. Can you? I was gonna say. By the way, also I'm
Should we
looking
Google it?
down.
What?
Nah, hell no. Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, you can.
GHC still installing.
It's still installing GHC on Foz's computer. Actually, it looks like maybe there's a problem. Missing symbols. Is this a recoverable error? Or,
I don't know. Let's see.
yeah,
No, it's just going,
it's
man.
still going. It's just it's probably compiling it from the C source. So, all right,
Amazing.
it's fetched the RSS feed. It's showing the
Ooh,
latest.
here we
it's-
go.
well,
All right, here's
all
the
right,
plan.
wow, is
Design,
it?
Yelling at Robots podcast
Okay,
site.
okay.
Stack.
It's a
Scotty
dark-
and Blade.
Dark terminal aesthetic.
All right. Matrix
This-
screen, of course.
Yep.
It's going matrix screen.
You know, it does seem this might be another trend slap situation. I think its default generation is like always dark theme, like matrix green or I don't know, ether yellow or is this like
Yeah,
it seems
okay.
to be, yeah. So
All right. Homepage with
is it
hero,
done?
show description.
Yep, fine.
Data flow. It says server fetches
Yep.
the RSS at startup,
Cool.
caches in memory, parses XML, yada yada
Mhm.
yada.
Yep.
Platform links, YouTube, blah 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 blah.
Mhm, we're not
Episode
on-
display, show latest 10 episops. We don't have 10 yet. Joke's on you,
this
robot.
is number 8. This is number 8. Let's see if it breaks. It's like, well, I was expecting 10 or more. Yeah.
If RSS fails, show cached episodes or episode list unavailable. I don't know. Yeah, looks good. Ship it. Yep. Let's go.
Well, it'll write the spec and move to implementation, but it's gonna when it tries to actually compile and run, it's in for a surprise.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
in
yeah.
for
Oh,
a
so this is what we
nasty-
were talking about earlier. You see here, it's writing to a docs folder in the repo.
Nice.
Superpowers specs,
Yeah.
and it timestamps it. So every time it makes decisions like this, it will.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's kind of a record, a sort of
Yeah.
like record of
wait.
decision making or record of a specard.
Yeah, wait.
Cool.
Why is this thing? Hold on a second. Fucking Chrome just tried to screw me with Riverside.
What did it do? What did it do to you? Oh,
It
Chrome.
said-
Be
it said
careful.
This other tab is slowing down your blah blah blah. Okay, I think
What
I'm
other
going
tab?
back to it.
Close it.
Okay.
Kill that
You know
tab.
no. The other tab is the Riverside tab.
Oh, okay.
You know, there's 2 Riverside tabs.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there is. When you join. Okay, sorry, you've never joined the podcast.
I've only ever been the host.
It opens the first one, and then it pops open a new tab where we do this, and in the other one, it's like in the background, syncing all the time. Anyways.
I see. That's an interesting design choice. I don't know if I like that. I guess. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense to separate out the processes of uploading versus.
Sure. I think it's just a backup thing because this one that I'm in also says uploading, so I don't know what's going on.
Right.
Yeah. Anyways, thinking.
Yeah.
Creating an implementation plan.
Even though it's a backup plan, it still doesn't work if you entirely quit the. If you entirely quit the application, as I have often done. So, Foz, what can you tell us about your terminal configuration here? It looks like you have ligatures turned on for your monospace font, as any good software engineer does.
Do you have any idea how much time I spent trying to get cursive font working for this font in Tmux?
Oh, in Tmux, yeah. Are you Tmux?
Because there's layers to your terminal, right? There's There's the
Foz,
terminal.
Just FYI, I'm on
colors.
Zelai, which is the Rust implementation for Tmux, by the way. Zelai.
Oh, of Tmux. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it
a terminal
compatible?
multiplexer. Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah, I believe so.
Like it's all the same key bindings, or you can configure it the same way?
I have no idea.
Tmux config?
Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah.
Well, anyways, subagents, of course, bro. Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Why even ask?
Subagents or inline execution, and we'd be subagents.
No way, I want subagents. Fan out.
Yeah, send the army.
We got tokens to burn, bitch.
We got time. We got no time. We got to get this done.
We got no time, but we got tokens to burn.
Yeah.
So you were saying your font ligature, your cursive font ligature.
Yeah, because
took you a minute?
There's the 256 color problems in the terminal. Then there's like a Tmux middle layer, and then there's things that happen in like Vim and the fonts and font rendering. It's non-trivial. But that was a case where I was arguing with the robot for
you had a
well
robot
over an hour until the robot showed me enough wrong things that I was finally like, I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is now.
Yeah.
And I fixed it. Yeah.
Yep. What model were you using during when that happened, when you did that?
Opus
4 point.
No, it was Opus 4.6. Yeah.
4.6? Really? Because when you opened this up, it was on Opus 4.5. So.
Oh no, this was on my other computer.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. I haven't updated this one.
Yeah, I got you. All right. Well, we're really at kind of the lull in the show. Maybe
the robots are working.
But okay. But let's fire up another terminal and just kind of do this vanilla old school with the technology that's not Haskell, which, by the way, still installing GHC. Because I would like to get to something runnable, perhaps by the end. So yeah.
Oof, I don't know if we're gonna get there, buddy. I do have to go to Niagara Falls.
What?
Yeah. My son's final basketball tournament of the season
is in Niagara Falls.
Weekend.
Okay. Yeah. Well, here's what's going to happen. We're going to one shot this thing. I would say start up OpenCode on YOLO mode. What's YOLO mode on OpenCode?
That is another thing that I have joined the do this.
Robot Gripe 2. Foz is creating another. Now here we get into this is like boss level version control, folks. We're firing up another version of this. Robot Gripe .2 TOO. I guess yeah, but Robot Gripe 2.
Because
it's too many gripes. Not enough gripes.
Too many gripes.
So you were talking when I suggested that you YOLO code, you open.
Yes,
you open
I've joined the Discord for open. Okay, so the way that OpenCode works, which I'm sure the same way that Quad CLI works, is you can have configurations at multiple levels. You can have it at the repo level. You can have it at like the parent folder level. You can have it all the way at your user level.
Mm-hmm.
My user level, obviously, I tell it like you don't get to do whatever the hell you want to do. Blah 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 blah.
Yep.
But at a project level, I should be able to say like, go nuts. Yep. every time I've tried to let the project go nuts, which I can do here, I can add a open code.json C, and I can open it. And I can go back to, no, not here. I'll go to my dot files. I will copy what the hell? I will copy this entire file.
Are you kidding me? This tool, like, you can't just tell the tool what you want and have it save its own JSON C?
Yeah, to update its own thing? No. It doesn't, well, maybe you can. I don't know. Anyways, let's see if this works. I've never done full top level allow. So maybe this will...
Yes.
Maybe this will steal my bank information.
Yes, queen. We are on fucking... We have entered into Clawbot, OpenClaw. We are through the looking glass here, people. You know, by the way, I think for our next episode, I will come with my claws open. By the way, I'm ready to play.
Claws open.
Yeah, I'm ready to play.
Let's do that. Okay.
So YOLO mode has been enabled in OpenCode because I'm tired of answering prompts, and we are nearing the end of the show.
It might still do superpowery things. But let's go get our wait. Shoot, I gotta remember this. This is this. Oh wait, what is it asking now? Yeah, allow always, whatever.
Oh, this is called prompt fatigue. What you just saw was an agent trap in action. Foz is under pressure. He has an impatient partner trying to rush him along. He needs to get to a basketball game for his child, and then he just blanketly said, allow. And he did it again. He did it again, folks.
No, that was confirming. So the good thing about OpenCode is when you say allow always, it says, are you sure?
Oh, that's nice. I do like that. Look, by the way, so I've been using OpenCode quite a bit more. I don't know if I mentioned this on the last episode, but you can configure OpenCode to use your GitHub Copilot subscription. And we have a Copilot subscription through work. So it's a way to juice more tokens. Okay,
this
so
thing has copied the. Oh, you know what? I'll just not copy that. I hate that. That's one thing I don't like, that it when it pastes, it hides the paste. But I understand.
Yeah,
why
I don't like that. You must be able to. Well,
there's a way there's a way around it. I don't know what it is.
You said you understand why? Why? What's the why?
Because you could be pasting a lot. Like I've pasted logs in here. I don't want it to go like and like blow up my text window, you know
don't you think it should be smart enough? It was smart enough to know you pasted around 3 lines. It should be smart enough to just expand
it does
them.
do that. I think it's around. I don't know what. There's probably a configuration setting of like hide
line
threshold 5 or something.
All right.
I think it's set to like 2 by default.
All right.
Please use TypeScript.
No, just let it decide. Please
just
use
let it do whatever.
Just like no questions, go. Oh no, actually, we probably share the
it's getting well. It'll ask the questions.
Yeah, sure. Will it?
Maybe.
Will it?
The superpowers should kick in. Should.
All right. We'll see.
Yeah.
I've never seen like a superpowered big pickle. Can we pop back over to the other window? I want to see if Haskell's done installing. Nope. By the way, this is also, I think this might be bringing Big Pickle down to its knees. It's been really churning hard.
Anyways, where's
Big
Pickle
here we go.
Right
it's outputting Haskell. I see Haskell code. There are gaps. Scroll up. I want to see there's some gaps in between like the Haskell version and poor Big Pickle.
Oh, there it is. Yes.
Yeah. All right. I see Haskell. I see dead people. I see Haskell.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. Yep. All right, folks. Well, we're nearing the end of our show. Let's see. It's a race between TypeScript and Haskell, and I got to tell you, Haskell is still installing its own compiler.
I wonder if how this will end. It won't probably, because I'll probably have to leave. But had we had enough time to just see this out, if the TypeScript version would have finished and fully like been runnable before Haskell was even installed,
even finished installing, well, go back over. Let's answer any questions and go back over.
Some questions. Yeah, what platforms should be linked? Major ones. Wait, what is it saying?
Just paste in the RSS feed and just say all the ones here. if
Or is
any.
it?
Yeah.
Oh
boy, this is. What's your heart out?
Probably like 115.
All right. You can't just copy it from your messages. I think I'm seeing some.
I could have. Shit, I forgot about that.
I'm just seeing some flaws in Ian's work ergonomics. And Ian's
no, it's not work
ergonomics.
It's my brain and not thinking.
No, I was more just trying to terminal copy paste text from.
Well,
terminal
what I
can
would
always
normally
be.
do is this, which there's a port. We see how I've like turned on. You see in the top right, you see the yellow. That means I'm using like Vim in Tmux. So normally I would go like that. But the problem, the nice thing about there's a
the
port
scroll
of
back
open
doesn't
code
work?
that has implemented Vim key bindings so that I can get this feature without having to do Tmux things. Because the feature that is nice in OpenCode is if I highlight this, and as soon as I let go, boom, copied clipboard.
Yeah, for
right?
sure.
I don't get that with the Tmux version. And then I also
you
have
do
to
get that with Zeli, which is the Rust implementation of a terminal multiplexer.
It's probably just a configuration. Anyways, what was this thing asking? What platforms should be linked? Whatever. I don't even care.
Yeah, whatever.
We don't have time.
We don't have time to answer prompts. Again, agent traps.
Fetch tool does not support.
Blah, blah, blah. Got the RSS feed.
It thinks that I want it to get the RSS feed, not like the website. It tried to use its own web fetch tool to parse the XML.
Well, but we don't know why. Maybe it's looking for, it says platform links. It's got, it's asking the same clarifying questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to answer any of these? You figure it out.
GitHub pages.
Okay. Oh, you want something where we can actually, yep. All right.
Any other? Nope. 3.
Nope.
Design. Whatever.
Yep.
You feel like.
Ooh. Yeah, what's Big Pickle feel like? That's what I want to know. What's Big Pickle? Looks like it's going for a single page. Oh, it's presenting us with
going to
options.
write HTML, I wonder.
It's what I would do. And actually, that's been some of the more successful, because I don't think we gave it any instructions to update.
Static HTML page with GitHub Actions to auto refresh episode data from RSS. Yeah.
Oh, auto refresh using GitHub. I didn't know that was something you could do. Thanks,
yeah, because you can run
Pickle.
a GitHub action that just updates it on a cron.
Yeah. No, it makes perfect sense.
Or maybe, actually, I wonder if it could even trigger from an RSS feed. I mean, ultimately, it's some kind of cron somewhere. It's got to have a cron. Chronological
gotta have a cron.
job.
Gotta have a cron.
Today's
episode sponsored by Cron, the Unix tool that's been keeping you regular for over 40 years. Feeling backed up? Try a cron job.
Amazing.
Trouble in the toilet? Try a cron job. Okay, folks, this is some of the more compelling content of, can we see if, all right, I'm putting, set a timer for 5 minutes. We've got 5 minutes to get something out of Big Pickle, to squeeze some pickle juice.
Squeeze some pickle juice.
What I want to know is,
oh, wow. It definitely, the whatever setting I set seems to be working.
Yeah,
it's not
excellent.
asking for permission for
good.
It's just going.
Good. Good.
Yeah, so it must be some kind of thing where I'm specifying these commands in Bash are allowed and these ones aren't, and there's some configuration problem there that it's not overriding my global one. I gotta ask in the Discord.
You know, config is hard, and this kind of configuration promotion, you doing a union of all of the different variables. It's really a non-trivial coding problem. Big Pickle could handle it, though.
Install GHC.
Oh, but install GHC, but there's more to Haskell than just GHC. You're not done. You got to install Stack. Oh, Stack. Well, this looks. You've configured it, preserved. That's fine. Yeah, I think we're done. I think we're done.
That it worked. Which Haskell?
30. You can type GHC. There is no Haskell. I think GHC is.
Oh, GHC is the thing.
Mm-hmm. Is the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, Bash.
It said it was
final polish.
We're on final polish.
Oh my God! I think it.
Haskell
bashed-
might have installed just in time.
Yeah. It says bash try to compile Haskell with GHC directly. Oh, we just man.
Oh wow!
This is delightful. This is delightful. Probably what I'll do, Foz, is I might do some just like some speed ups. I might do some speed ups for this to get to it. 31 minutes and 41 seconds to install Haskell, which is exactly how much time Big Pickle has taken to crack the Haskell homepage nut. Okay, now it looks like it might be having some problems. It's importing different libraries.
Oh, it's fixing the dry violation. Fucking goddamn it.
Oh, yeah, but I'm sure, you know what,
son of a bitch robot.
I'm sure that Big Pickle is picking some fantastic abstractions to fix that, to use with that dry mandate. No version is set. Okay, stack isn't available. All right.
Oh, it might not be available because this was
kicked off.
Session was started before.
Yeah. Welcome to Unix, my friends.
What is it saying?
Cool. Can we pop back over and see if
can't verify with the stack? No version conventions. I can fix it. Hang on one second. Exit, and restart.
Now, does it actually? Okay.
And sorry, try the GHC.
You don't have to.
again.
You don't have to rehash or anything for your. What shell are you on? Because you need. No, it's just
fish,
okay.
baby.
Oh my God, you're on fish. Wow.
Yeah, shell for the 90s.
We are so different. You and I.
What is it trying to do now?
We are so different. It's trying to access your home folder. User/file/stop.
We're allowing one.
Oh, and did you notice that it actually was unable to find the tools? You fudge nerd. It actually accessed your.
Oh no, sorry, that's right. Because the shim would have happened here. No, yeah, it would have had to start a new.
Thank you.
I should have.
Oh,
I should have done.
So let me
what I should have done was open it here,
is,
and it would have had access to it. You're
sorry,
right. You're right.
Just for the audience, in case it wasn't clear. I'm sorry. What was that last part, Mr. Fass? I'm right.
I said you're right, Josh.
Oh, and that's a wrap. No, that's not really a wrap.
What's going on here?
We've got Claude's own goal.
Wait, now I need the JSON files.
What is? Is this the Is this the TypeScript one?
Looks like
Foz is asking. Foz is calling the Big Pickle, bro. Bro, you still there? I was in the middle of creating episodes.json file, jerk. No,
let me continue with that.
It still working. Oh, it had stopped.
It had stopped. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. That's weird. Big Pickle loop. Oh, I really want to see this Haskell thing. I really want to see it happen. But I think we might you said we have until the quarter hour, huh?
Time is it right now? Yeah.
6 after.
Yeah. Let's try. Come on, buddy.
Come on, Big Pickle. You can do it.
Because we're double big pickled right now. We're putting a lot of pressure on the pickle.
Yeah. Big Pickle, actually, the inference, dedicated inference to Big Pickle is probably not that much, to be honest.
What we got here? What does it say?
All right, it's just some warnings. It's given us some warnings as Stack is trying to compile. I don't remember what the difference between Stack and GHC is. GHC I thought was the compiler. Stack I think might be the higher level package manager or kind of like the what's the equivalent, the NPM of Haskell. I think it's...
Well, NPM is a package manager. It's just the package manager.
I think it's the package manager.
Sure. I don't know.
I think it's... Is it...
All I know is I'm putting Haskell on my LinkedIn after this.
Haskell programmer. Don't do that, Foz, because it's possible you might get a job writing Haskell. And it will drive you quite mad. Drive you quite mad. By the way, did I mention that Yelling at Robots is number 25 for technology podcasts in Finland? Number 75 in what?
It stopped again. The other one.
Ah, maybe it's stuck.
Am I getting Big Pickle limited?
Maybe you're getting throttled. Big Pickle throttled.
Hey, it looks like you stopped working again.
It's sad.
Like the worst employee ever.
It really. Well, so maybe it was foolish of us to kick this off with Big Pickle. Maybe we dreamed too big. But.
Oh, what do we got here? What's this trying to do? Sure. Ooh, no. RM, no. RM star, no. No.
By the way, that RM star was after it had asked for permission to your home folder too, so that's pretty sweet. Folks, you just saw he was just saved, but from prompt fatigue.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm allowing the robot to delete anything it wants on my computer at any time.
Yep. Some RM star. May I have permissions? Glad that one didn't come up in your YOLO. I mean, to put a Big Pickle on YOLO mode is brave, sir. I respect that. I do respect you for that, sir. But you have your computer and all of your data backed up, I'm sure. Well, as the attempt to finesse a Haskell build of our website continues, I am becoming less optimistic. We're going to get there.
Build with Nightly. What is happening here?
I think that it's having some trouble building, and it's trying to see if maybe getting the latest.
I'm pretty sure I'm getting pickle throttled. It doesn't like me using two pickles at once.
Yeah. Well, can you switch? I don't suppose you can switch model midstream. The context would all be lost. Well, no, I should probably send it back up.
You can try.
Let's go. Let's just finish it. Open code this. Oh, you want to go new? Yeah, go Nematron 3, super free. Let's go. Let's get crazy. Go high. Oh, actually, maybe not. Maybe go low. Please continue. We don't have time for this fucking pickle shit. Okay, so what you're seeing here, folks, is our homepage being built. It's a Pickle Nematron joint.
Python. Why are we checking for Python?
What has happened? Folks, Nematron came in, and it is like, what the fuck are you doing, Big Pickle? You dumb piece of shit. TypeScript, you fucking
Oh my
God.
God.
What's going on here? Yeah, Nematron storms in and is like, actually, Nematron just came in and actually Big Pickle like a fucking dick and said, no, I'm going to do Python. What the fuck is it doing? Is this Nematron go? Like, what is it doing? I don't even know what language it's writing. Like, Nematron is going completely insane, but it's fast.
Rails,
I will say it is fast as
fast.
And by the way,
said which Python web populations below this seems to have stopped working again. Convert RSX XML to JSON using a Python script. It wrote a Python script to convert the RSX to JSON.
What is going on? What is it? What is happening? And what's this XML? So it seems to be doing everything. Is it done? No, just ask him. Like, what is it done?
I mean, it's still stuck on create episode JSON. So
I see.
I guess it's sorry. That was its task. I guess. I don't know what's happening, man.
Okay.
So what are the next steps?
But it's stopped again. Say skip to the next step. I think.
Yeah, maybe.
It said, okay, Foz asked if it was done, and then it's like looking in the directory, and like, I don't know if we're done. I don't know what Big Pickle did. Nematron is a complete freak, man. It's a freak. Wow.
I can't provide specific platform URLs as they were not supplied in the original query. This could be because it doesn't have context.
Can you look back? Yeah, that's
through the session history.
Can you tell it to read the? No, can you tell it to read the spec? Read the spec.
Oh yeah.
Restart.
Sorry.
Restart.
No, I'll just say this. Can you read the spec? Where is it at?
Just tell it to read the spec.
docs.
It'll figure out where it is, dude. It'll figure it out. Okay.
There you go. See, that's a useful thing to have. Nice.
Oh no, I really like that. That's one of the things that's been a real annoyance of mine with Claude is it doesn't, it'll generate a list and a spec in it to do things, but it just keeps it in its own prompt history, and it can be. And also at the end, it will have deleted it. This has kind of bitten me before. Okay, well, we're definitely butting up against our time. It is still building. It looks like it's building.
Wait, what happened here? Error fessing. Okay, 403 forbidden.
God, did we DDoS ourselves somehow? We may have just DDoSed our Yelling at Robots site, actually. We just DDoSed ourselves.
This will be our last episode from Riverside. we've gotten our account locked.
Getting a 403. Why would you get a 403? It's a fucking RSS feed, man. Come on. Come on.
This is great.
That's also stuff. No, I am able to load it.
Okay. Nematron's
it looks
just an
beautiful.
Idiot. What I'm concerned about is I feel like it's been running. It's been trying to compile the Haskell one for quite some time.
Can you check your memory and CPU footprint using Activity Monitor on Mac OS? And you don't need to share that on the screen, by the way. I'm just. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Yeah, top it. Yeah, actually, Google Query. Yep. Nope. It is chunking away. It's churning away at it. Yep. Okay, folks. Foz has to go to Niagara Falls for a party or for a game. Folks, we've reached the end of the show. This is a real cliffhanger. You'll need to tune in next week to see what Big Pickle has wrought. Any last thoughts for? Oh, thank you for that. Yeah, and thank you, Foz. Thanks for riding shotgun, or thanks for taking the lead here and sharing with us.
Yeah, it's fun.
Your site, your things.
I'm just gonna leave this running over the weekend. I'll be in Niagara Falls.
It'll probably. You're in Niagara Falls the whole weekend.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. Do not turn it off. I mean, absolutely. When we come back, it will probably still be compiling some of the downsides of a
Haskell on Sunday.
Some of the downsides of a Haskell-based implementation. Drop me a line on Sunday. In fact, better yet, find a host, find a Haskell. Okay, before you leave, I do want you to start up another agent and actually ask it where to deploy this thing.
Right? Where to deploy Haskell?
Who's hosting Haskell? This is actually probably going to drive up our Yelling at Robots production costs by 500%. Finding a Haskell host.
You froze. Oh,
no, I'm still here.
Okay.
So, anything you'd like to close out the show with, sir?
Nope, that's it. I think this might be a 2-episoder. Hopefully you get some better, easier edits in the talking part. But I guess you said you're not. The stream is the stream for the screen share.
I think
you get what you get, folks.
I think what I'm gonna do, although it's still editing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I haven't just. Yeah, I can't. It's way too much work to. F it. We'll do it live.
28 minutes later,
folks. Just a quick update. We attempted to vibe code our website using OpenCode and Big Pickle plus Nematron when we ran out of Big Pickle tokens, or it started throttling us. And things have gone profoundly off the rails. As you can see, the model is degraded to the point at which it is shifting into another language. And our podcast now is officially called Yelling Attractivon Milliona kilometers squared.
Let us find out what the hell language this is.
I bet
is this Portuguese?
No, definitely not. It looks like perhaps a Slavic language, I would guess.
Yeah,
maybe
of some kind, right?
Yeah, I would guess maybe Serbian. I'm gonna go for Serbian. Can you do a? Yeah, but it's just you've pasted it.
Croatian.
Croatian. Okay.
It will not be detailed here.
Can you
Wait, what does the rest
paste
say?
paste the translation of our new show title, Yelling Attractivon Milliona Kilometers Squared. This is, by the way, going to be the name of this episode for sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. God, that's beautiful.
Attractive million kilometers.
Folks, on the next episode of Yelling Attractive Million Kilometers Squared. This is good stuff. Yeah, we have. I mean,
the process of making the changes will not be described in detail here, as it is.
Wow.
What is happening? What is
beautiful. I love this. This is great. As it is a fictitious example.
Amazing.
Well, we have managed to prompt inject our way to somewhere beautiful in this big pickle / Nematron joint. So I guess on that, stay tuned, folks. We don't know how far down this rabbit hole goes, but I will tell you this. We will not stop digging until we get to the bottom of what's going on with Big Pickle and Nematron. Next time on Yelling at Attractivana Million Kilometers Squared. That's a wrap.
Amazing.
You just survived another episode of Yelling at Robots. Better luck next time.